Lately, I have been seeing videos on things that make you instantly stylish from so many different people. I have loved seeing all the different things that individual people find extra stylish and eye-catching, and I just couldn't resist joining the conversation. I'm nosy. I like to be involved. I also think it's so fun to discuss what you think is instantly stylish with your friends and bond over your shared taste or find entertainment in your differing taste. So feel free to share your takes in the comments, and here are my takes. If you wear any of these things, you are instantly stylish to me. And if you want to easily look more stylish, here are some ways you can. First up, any head accessory, be it a hat, a headscarf, a headband, earmuffs, even a bow. Anything. It's just an automatic level up for me. I think it's because having no hat or hair accessory is just sort of the default. So anytime you step outside of that and make an intentional choice instead, that's cool to me. It shows me you thought about your look. I also think cool or unique haircuts are in this same category. Things like a pixie cut, a bob, a shag, bangs. Any haircut that deviates from just plain long hair that's all one length and isn't really cut to have a particular shape or style just immediately shows me that you have style. Because again, you're making active choices about your appearance. You're not just wearing the default. Fun day-to-day hairstyles like braids, buns, that sort of thing also hold a similar intentionality, and I love that you can switch them up every day. And that way they're less committed than a full-on haircut, but they allow for more creativity and versatility. Another head accessory that really just deserves its own mention, its own category, is sunglasses. They instantly make any outfit cooler. I don't have a whole in-depth explanation or theory on this one. It's just obvious. Sunglasses make you look cool and effortless and chic, always, and they improve basically every outfit. That's honestly one of my biggest style tips in general. If you're trying to improve literally any outfit, add sunglasses. It will help. The next thing I think makes you instantly stylish is not wearing an entire outfit of clothes that look brand new. If you watch my videos, it's pretty obvious. I love vintage fashion. I shop almost exclusively secondhand. I love old things. And I just find super sleek, clean, modern anything to be kind of soulless. It just has no story and no character, because it didn't exist until yesterday. So I love when an outfit has some key element in it that doesn't look brand new. For this point, I'm thinking both clothes that look stylistically old, look vintage or retro, but also clothes that maybe don't look particularly historical in design, but look used and worn in, like they've been places, they've seen things, they have a backstory, they have lore. Because to me, that tells me the person wearing those things has a story, has experiences. And it just tells me the person wearing it has an appreciation for history and context and not always just having the new thing because it's new, And to me, that feels more thoughtful and intentional and stylish. Plus, vintage clothing is usually just so much more interesting to look at. It's like with old buildings versus new ones. One of these has style and one of them has no soul, and it's very obvious which one is which. I think a similar principle can apply to clothes. The next thing I think makes everyone instantly more stylish is jewelry, especially unique, interesting, ornate jewelry. I feel like jewelry looks instantly stylish because your outfit can be done without it, it's not a necessary step. And if you wore it anyway, it's because you cared and you just put in that extra moment of effort to add those finishing touches that really make an outfit more than just clothes. Even compared to hats, hats might feel a little bold and silly, but they can at least serve a functional purpose. But jewelry serves no purpose except to adorn and decorate. And I just love that. I love that humans invented that. And when people take the extra moment to adorn and decorate themselves, it makes me happy. Next, instantly stylish feature, strong shapes in your clothing or outfits. By this I mean clothing that, instead of just generally taking the form or shape of your body, has its own silhouette that extends beyond the shape of the body. I'm talking voluminous poofy sleeves, wide leg pants, big chunky heels, anything that adds more shape to your look than just being person shaped. This again, I think is because clothes that are generally the shape of your body is sort of the default. And obviously your own body shape is your own default. That's what you look like with no styling, no outfit, no clothes. So making the intentional choice to wear something that creates a new shape instead of just taking the shape of what's already there and the shape that most people are wearing, again, it's just more unique. It shows a distinct choice, a distinct point of view, and it usually makes a statement, which is also another instantly stylish choice to me. On that topic, edgy or alternative fashion is also instantly stylish to me because it immediately tells me something about you. It conveys a clear point of view, it's rebellious, it's not the default or mainstream point of view, and it just expresses a lot of personality and fearlessness of doing something different, of challenging the mainstream, and to me, that is so much of what style is about. I mean, I'm not really into edginess for the sake of edginess. I'm not trying to be like, being anti-mainstream is inherently better than being a normie. It's not, but intentional rebellion for the purpose of progress slaps. That's like the epitome of intentional style. Next up, wearing elevated shoes. I mean, not elevated like heels or platforms, although those could certainly count, but I mean elevated like nicer, chic, more stylish shoes. Wow, stylish shoes make you look stylish. Amazing insight, Liz. I just mean like shoes that are meant to look polished and nice. Like sneakers are fine, we all wear them, I wear them all the time, but they're just so regular to me and they usually look like they're for convenience, not for style. So I always think it looks more stylish to wear something like boots or loafers or mules, ideally in a nicer material like leather or a good imitation of leather, because they just look more polished, more sophisticated, and again, like you thought about them before putting them on. Even if you do just throw them on to run out the door, they don't look like the kind of shoes that you just throw on. Similarly, intentional socks. I feel like you can have the most perfect outfit in every way, but if you have socks that are visible but not chosen intentionally to be visible and be part of the outfit, it can completely ruin it to me. If your socks are going to be visible at all, making them a part of the outfit that looks good with the rest of the outfit is miles more stylish to me than random socks that look like they have to be there but no one wants them to be there, you know? The next thing I think makes people look instantly stylish is incorporating texture into their outfits. There are so many different beautiful textures out there that are woven into the history of fashion. Pun intended. And I feel like we don't take advantage of that as much as we could, considering how many fabulous options we have. Mixing and matching different textures like a chunky knit, velvet, lace, shearling, fur, wool, linen, silk. I could go on. There's so many more. Can add so much depth to your outfit. And it also makes the outfit more of like a three-dimensional sensory experience, not just a flat image. It's like a drawing of an outfit versus a real outfit you can see from multiple angles and touch and interact with. And texture just heightens that element so much, which I think really brings an outfit and someone's style to the next level. Next, instantly stylish quality, using a nuanced color palette. To me, this isn't about neutrals or bright colors being better. You can have a nuanced palette using either of those, but the point is to avoid going for the most obvious or matchy or even overplayed color palettes. I think most of the qualities in this video that I think make you instantly stylish are pretty timeless, but this one is somewhat affected by trends in that if a color palette becomes very trendy, then it becomes very obvious or overplayed. That said, I don't feel like entire specific color palettes tend to become fashion trends that much. It's more like certain individual colors tend to become trends, and also that certain color palettes are just always a little more common than others. But regardless, I think wearing an intentional, thoughtfully color-schemed outfit, one that combines colors in new or uncommon ways, always looks so stylish. For example, to me, a full outfit of like neutral browns and beiges just feels kind of predictable, kind of one note. It's very matchy. We've seen it so many times. But if you pair those same neutral brown and beige pieces with like a pop of lavender, that's something a little more interesting, not something you see all the time. And it just looks more thoughtful and intentional. Similarly, using just a bunch of equally bold, saturated, bright colors all together, like bright red, bright blue, and bright green, it again just feels sort of predictable and it lacks variation in depth and saturation. So something I think looks more stylish is to take that bright red and bright blue, but then pair it with maybe an earthy brown and a pale sky blue. That gives you more variation in lightness and darkness, saturation versus mutedness, and it just creates something a little more interesting and less repetitive. There are really endless possibilities with this one because it's not about a certain color or a certain color palette. It's just about wearing a unique color combo that feels well thought out. The next thing I think makes an outfit immediately stylish is having some sort of stylistic contrast, like an outfit that combines girly and edgy, or vintage and modern, or polished and casual. You get the idea. I think similar to the colors, wearing an outfit that's all one established style just feels more predictable, more typical, and less personal because it's drawing from a pre-existing style category. But when you mix multiple style categories together, especially ones that seem more opposite, you can create something so much more unique and personal to you and express multiple parts of yourself with multiple different styles. Instead of just channeling one single vibe, one part of your identity, you get to be multifaceted. Style that just feels a little more complex, that can't be identified with an existing aesthetic, always feels more stylish to me. That said, sometimes something is unique and stylistically eclectic and multifaceted, and then that becomes a trending aesthetic. So there's that. But the point is, what I think is stylish is instead of trying to channel one aesthetic, combining multiple style elements and parts of yourself in one outfit. Finally, the last thing I think makes you look instantly stylish: layering. Honestly, the more layers you have in your outfit, the more visual interest and depth and dimension it has, And the more stylish I think you are. I mean, I don't necessarily think like throwing any and all pieces layered together works, but that's why a well-crafted layered outfit is so stylish, because there are just that many more pieces that you have to coordinate and make sure they all work and look good together. So when they do, it's just that much more impressive. Layering more things together also allows you to play with so many of the other style elements I mentioned, like color palette, texture, combining things of different styles, creating unique shapes. So many of the other things we've talked about so far come together in this one. And that's why a great layered look might be the most instantly stylish thing you can do. Like I said, please share what you think makes someone instantly stylish in the comments. Let me know what you think of my takes, or if you got any new style ideas from this video. And if you do, leave a comment. Watch another video like this one that the algorithm personally recommends for you and thinks you specifically would enjoy, so you should probably watch it. And subscribe to my channel. I heard you'll become instantly more stylish. Wink. I can't wink, but pretend I winked there. Okay, bye!